Okay, so I need to find some statistics for my research paper, but I can't seem to find what I'm looking for in any of these websites. I've been looking for an hour now, and everything I find is either American or outdated. There must be something. I wonder if the Sides Library can help.
Jack's dilemma is a common one. He knows what he needs to make his paper stronger, but he simply can't find it using a basic Google search. Lucky for Jack, Sides has a teacher librarian on staff who can help you locate those tough-to-find details. Simply go to the library link from your course page. Click on Library Desk and locate the link called
Here we go. Ask a librarian. This looks easy. Okay, research topic. Can you help me find current Canadian statistics on how sports help youth cope with mental health challenges? Top 3 sources. Well, I found this, and this one's good, but it's an NCAA study, so it is American. And then there was this one. This is Canadian, but it focuses more on athletes who struggle with mental health, so it doesn't really have what I'm looking for. And once again, this one was great, but there were no statistics. How can I be of most help to you? I'd really like to know if sports can combat depression in youth. Some of the websites I have found suggest it can, but I don't have any real data. And there you have it. I'll just have a quick check to see if I've completed this properly, and I think I will send this off.
Now Jack's question comes to me. Within 2 working days, he will receive an email helping him with his question. Getting the help you need is really that easy. The Sides Library, it's where your search ends.